We have to do it this year. Not next year, this year. The risk of failure would be a risk that the political cohesion that has brought us this far would begin to fray. And of course, the clock is ticking because Mother Nature does not do bailouts. We have to go far, quickly. The business community and the leaders of nations throughout this world must go together to safeguard the future. We have everything we need to do it, with the possible exception of political will. But we know that political will is a renewable resource. Thank you.